So example number 1 is all about using a table to find conditional probability. We're going to get used to using a table. So first of all, we're going to do like we did in concept number 2 and figure out the totals. So the results from a class survey are shown in the table below. So do you own a pet? Yes, no, and are you male or female? So let's figure out how many total males there are. Well, 8 plus 5 is 13. How many total females? 6 and 7 is 13. How many total people in the class? 13 plus 13 is 26. How many said yes? 8 plus 6 is 14. How many said no? 5 and 7 make 12. Okay, so we have all the totals we need. So let's start finding probability. Find the probability that they own a pet given that they are female. So let's apply our formula here. Probability, we'll call this B and this A. Probability of B given A. So first of all, we need to figure out the probability of A and B happening, and then divide it by the probability of A. In this case, A is female, okay? In this case, B and A own a pet and female. So how many people are female and say, yes, they own a pet? Yes, female, 6. Divided by how many total females are there? 13. 6 out of 13. Or if we want to be cool and use a calculator and do percentage, which I like, about 46.2% is the probability of own a pet given they are female. Okay, so we're just going to practice using this formula, okay? So find the probability, P, that they own a pet and are male, B given A. So what's the probability that a male owns a pet? They are male and they own a pet. So that's 8 out of how many total males are there? 13. So, again, calculator. About 61.5%. Okay, so hopefully you're starting to see this is a little bit easy. It's really not quite that difficult. Okay, and letter C, find the probability that they don't own a pet. So all we have to do is figure out how many people said no. 12. So this one you don't actually have to use conditional probability, you can just count. 12 people said no out of how many total people? 26. So 12 divided by 26, 46.2%. Interesting. Okay, so that's how you use a table to find conditional probability.